I think we all do our spider things and everything to warm up, but are we doing it perfectly? Aloha, this is Doña back again as a singer ukulista who brews you some nice, sweet and tasty ukulele tutorials. The last week I did it with Patrick about Spanish ukulele style, and we do a lovely Spanish ukulele style workshop. I inform you soon, but today I gonna do a spider practice with and for you because I got pretty bad in my habits. So I did practice today the spider and did some finger workouts, and I want you to join me because I think we all do our spider things and everything to warm up, but are we doing it perfectly? So with passion, ambition, and are we checking our fingers that they work out correct? Okay, so I should stop talking and try to explain what I figured out, that I'm not doing it pretty precious and well. So let's start our tutorial about spider practice. So we start at the 12th fret. The pinky is there. So this is our first thing we do. And then we have to check that we bend our fingers, that they are curled in a perfect position. And then we start slowly from the 9th fret with our index and alternating fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. And what we have to check and to control, that we don't have a long way to our fretboard, because I know that I always do like I would do hammer-ons or something like that to go on the fretboard. But no, like we have to control us that we have only a way about 1 or 1.5 centimeters far away from our string. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if we do our spider movement upwards to the 4th string, we should try to do it that it's like a ringing sound, so that we stay a little bit, but on time, with our pinky on the last fret, and this is like a loop without any pause in the sound. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You got it? And that we have always the control that the fingers are curled nicely in the first segment, and that we do a smooth walk, and also with our right hand or left hand, whatever you are, to alternate with the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And now there comes the trickiest part for me, that we do it up and down. Wait, I show from the starting point. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we stay with our fingers on the string, nice, curled, and go backwards. But not lifting like I always do. The finger with a huge distance. We stay close to the strings. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And a nice practice is to hold the fretboard with thumb and index and do a movement with all 3 leftovers of the fingers and touch the string. And now the worst part comes, that we go the fret up and down with this technique. We start like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember that we are keeping a loop of sound that has no ringing pause. And then we go backwards. 1, 2. You see what a huge jump I did with my pinky? It's so hard to get it out of my head. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And as you see, the index finger gonna be my anchor, and I jump down on the 3rd string and start. And in this time, my index finger can smoothly go on the next string, and we could do our ringing sounding loop. 1, 2, 3, 4. See? During the 4, I jump down, let it ring, and go further to the 2nd string. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I try to do a huge jump with my pinky, the ugly stingy, but I should stay close to the fretboard because we don't need that huge distance so we can play faster and better. But after 2 years practice, I figured out today I did it all wrong because I got in a bad habit. So let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's do it together the final time, and then it's your turn to practice. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oopsie, I was too fast in my brain. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. See how tough it is? 1, 2, 3. Damn, have you seen it? We try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is tough. Tell me how you are doing that shit. And if you are better than me, I'm sure you will be better because I did train myself a bad habit. I wish you fun and see you for the next tutorial. Love you.